Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is the first day of July, and that means it's the first day of the row by row experience for 2025. Different this year is that the rows are 9 inches by 18 inches, which gives you a lot more flexibility on what you're going to do with them when you collect them. And this is our row that I designed and made. We're calling her Daisy the Highland Cow, and she is much, much easier than appears. She's only 11 pieces, and then you just toss the hair on wherever you like. And here is another one I made just to show how it can look different with the background fabric that you're given. You can put her kind of more in the weeds, or you can put her more in the sky. If I can put these side by side, you can see a little bit of the difference. You're going to get in your kits a pretty large piece of background, so you can determine which part you want to put behind your cow. So starting today, we do have kits available with all the pieces that you need in them. Cute little picture on the front. We are allowed to sell these online, so if you are not close to us, you can still get one. We also have patterns available. The patterns have all the template pieces that you need. There's the left of the cow. I know it looks really funny without the hair. And here is the right side of the cow. Also looks really funny. Looks like a 5-year-old drew it, which, I might be 5 in spirit sometimes. And then one of the really cool things about this pattern is that I lettered the fabrics, and for the hair, you just kind of follow the letters. So there's also a much bigger picture of this in color on our website. So I promise that she's easy, she's really fun, and if you want to participate in Row by Row 2025, we really would love to have you buy one of our kits or grab one of our patterns for free if you're in the store. Have a great day, and we'll see you back here tomorrow. Don't forget, we are closed on July 4th, so we'll be here a couple more days before then. Bye.